Hi viewers, it is very important and also very interesting to know about British English and American English. There are a lot of differences in the words used. Shall we know the usage of the British English words and the American English words, and what is the difference and how the words get changed in American English from British English? Okay, here we go. Side light in British English is called as parking light in American English. Indicator lamp is called as turn signal in American English. In British English we call it a number plate, but whereas in American English we call it a license plate. We call it a coach by British English and it's called a bus in American English. The gear lever, called as in British English, is known as the gear shift in American English. The mobile phones are called as cell phones in American English. The common rubber is called as eraser in American English. British English calls it as dustbin. American English calls it as trash can. Football is called as in British English. The same is called as soccer in American English. We call it athletics in British English. They call it track and field in American English. We call it a tap in British English. They call it a faucet in American English. It is queue in British English. The same is line in American English. We call it a railway line by British English and they name it as railway track in American English. It is a full stop by British English and it's called a period in American English. The motorbike is called as motorcycle in American English. We call it armor, color, glamour. They call the same with the difference in the spelling. Armor, A-R-M-O-R, color, C-O-L-O-R, glamour, G-L-A-M-O-R. Whereas in British English we use it as A-R-M-O-U-R, C-O-L-O-U-R, G-L-A-M-O-U-R by British English. We call it a center with the spelling C-E-N-T-R-E by British English. They call it a center with the spelling C-E-N-T-E-R by American English. We call it a meter, which spells M-E-T-R-E by British English. The same is spelled as M-E-T-E-R by American English. The word enroll with the spelling E-N-R-O-L is used in British English, whereas the same word has a double L in American English, E-N-R-O-L-L. The word fulfill is spelled as F-U-L-F-I-L-L in British English. The same word is spelled as F-U-L-L-F-I-L-L in American English. We call it aesthetic in British English. They call it as aesthetic with the spelling E-S-T-H-E-T-I-C in American English. It is called as jewellery in British English, whereas the same is called as jewelry in American English with the spelling J-E-W-E-L-R-Y. Whereas in the British English you have the spelling J-E-W-E-L-L-E-R-Y. Paralyze is a word with the spelling P-A-R-A-L-Y-S-E as in British English. The same word is spelled as P-A-R-A-L-Y-Z-E in American English. You have the slightest difference in the pronunciation. It is paralyze in British English. It is paralyze in American English. We call it a check with the spelling QUE in British English, but they call the same check with a different spelling, CHECK by American English. The word distill comes with a spelling DISTIL in British English, whereas the same word comes with a different spelling DISTILL distill in American English. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.